Hey everybody, we're here with State Farm out on Mrs. Harrison's job in McDonough. Kind of show you some of the video of the wind damage shingles we have. There's the adjuster. He's got me marking. I'm going to go down here. I'm looking for wind crease shingles. See, we got a couple missing down there. Do you need me to mark these two down here already missing? No, okay, awesome.
I mean, I like them missing if you mark them just because it gives me the area I can see from a distance.
Yeah.
I just don't want you walking down that far.
Yeah, I can get...
You know what? It's slick. You don't really need to.
Yeah, I'm going to go across to this fireplace.
All right. Yeah, that's what I'd rather.
We can get that from the ground. So we got a couple wind shingles there. There's a pretty steep roof and we're still a little damp on it, so we're going to be extra cautious. You see here, this is the shingle where winds basically got behind it and creased it back. In theory, that's probably about a year old, but this adjuster is not going to worry too much about the age on it. See up here, got some more wind. See the top right here where it creases across. Got a few over there. See the worn pipe boots. We're going to do a pipe boot test. As most people know, State Farm doesn't like paying for pipe boots. We'll test and see how the shape it is in. So they'll pay for them when they're that bad because they know we can't salvage them, which we won't salvage them anyways. You see, we got one here. We actually got 5 or 6 shingles creased over there, but he only really needs the one. You'll count the shingles on that and write the number. It's probably got about 15 there. We got about 25 on this front, and that will justify a full roof replacement. You see these creases here, you really can't see these from the ground, so this is a perfect example of really why the customer wants to have us come take a look at your roof, especially if you got a 3-tab that's over at about 10 years old. So anyways, you'll have a great day.